How to view multiple pages in Docs at once. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So the process will be similar for your Google Docs or your Microsoft Word, but in some of the docs it is not available. So I'm showing you in it a Word document. So first, simply open your Word document. Now, what you will have to do is simply go to this View section. After that, you will find an option of multiple pages in this section. Tap on it, and here you will see that two pages are shown at once. So yeah, that's how you do it. You can also choose to view your page width in full width, or if you want to view one by one, here you will get an option of one page, and for multiple pages, like I told you already, tap on multiple pages and you will get it. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.